What's up? Next episode. So, hello guys. So we are arrived to the next episode, and in this episode we're gonna take a hard line trek down. It's gonna be so difficult. It's full of rocks and everything. I was wondering to do this video like a little bit in the afternoon, but we woke up for the beautiful weather. Really beautiful. So I decided to go in early morning. Only thing like this morning is like quite chill, so yeah, the ground is very wet. So the bike is out, and what I recommend before every ride, not only this ride, but before every ride, to check the bicycle before you go anywhere. So now we're gonna check all the screws and everything is tight, and we'll be good for today's ride, because last time I went and something was wrong, and then I broke actually the gear stuff, I think, yeah, whatever, and I needed to fix with the hammer. Unfortunately I didn't make a video about that, but yeah, it's now quite okay. So let's do this. So what I mentioned, that my gearbox yeah, the gear like stuff, I don't know how it's called in English, whatever, that's fucked up, and I was actually like make sure. Actually what's happened here, it's a very big fuck. I thought it's only the chin, but look at it. So this is a new stuff going to be between this. So now what I managed to do with the hammer, I will show you. Now it's pretty good. Now it's like quite okay. I managed to do everything back to kind of normal, and yeah, it should work. It's okay now. I totally made with the hammer. I was just like hitting with the hammer back to normal till I'm not buying a new one, and now it's okay, so should be fine. And now let's go grab the helmet, let's go grab the bag. My gloves is already here. Maybe drink, I'm not sure I need drink. Let's go to grab the helmet. Yeah, on the way back I need to jump to the post office as well. There is some stuff to pay, of course. Okay, so I will meet you a bit later on the way up. Where are we going today? Oh, it's gonna be excited. It's gonna be excitement. So like, it's we going like up to like I don't know, I think it's like 700 meter high, and it's a full like a hill, and coming down like crazy track. So it's gonna be a very difficult track with a lot of stones and with a lot of like difficult turns and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that now. To go up, like gonna take like about same like the others, like 1.5 hours, but the down I think it's gonna be a bit longer. I think it's gonna be like 5 minutes. We actually start from exactly from our house, and then we're gonna arrive to our house, so it's quite handy. I mean, it's very close and I don't need to go anywhere else so far. But I'm actually planning in the next videos, like I'm gonna check out some like bike tracks, and then trying to go some like real bike tracks here in Croatia. So those are like just coming up. So let's go and do these things. So we are ahead up, and as I thought, it's completely turned out that the ground is completely wet. My shoes is completely wet, so it's not gonna help for me in the grip down, but nothing to be worried, because I need to concentrate only just on in the turns to not get slip and don't fall or crash. Doesn't matter that actually it's I anyway crashed long time ago, so maybe it's time again, but I'm not gonna do it. But look at this view. And we are not even halfway up. We just came from there and it's nothing. We still have a lot to go up. So let's go for it. So now we are halfway and there's really not much left, only just a little bit, just on the top there. We're going, not much left, but here the view is just fantastic. Look at that. Yeah, there is some crossroad, not crossroad, but like a junction, let's say. So I'm gonna come from there and I need to turn here and go there. So I'm gonna remember for these grapes that here I need to turn on the left if I'm coming down. Okay. Whew, it's pretty hard to come up, but just this view is so cool. And there is a house, I'm not sure there is living people, but beautiful today. Today is something amazing. So clear sky. The landscape is just beautiful. Okay, but don't waste any time. Let's go up and let's shoot this fucking Okay, so hat in the back, helmet on the head, and as you see that how is the ground is like slippery and I have too much air in my tires, so I'm gonna take some air out from the tire to get more grip down, so less chance to slide. It's a bit will help with the grip. Okay, this is good. Let's do another one. Okay, and now I'm not gonna talk more bullshit. Let's go down and see you at my home. Okay, let's go down. that was fucking good, guys. If you liked, just thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you want to see more, and see you in the next video. Bye 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 bye. Fine, stop.